5 years ago today, Mecklenburg County reported its first COVID case. Shortly after, you know the drill, what happened. Schools, businesses, they would go on lockdown. Remote work became a common thing, and wearing a mask around town was a necessity. I recently sat down with the county health director and asked him about the county's response. Do you feel like there was an overreaction?
I don't. No, I think, the initial data that we had available to us from our global health partners indicated that there could have been a much more severe mortality rate. But the reality is millions of people lost their life as a result of COVID. And so I don't think any reaction or effort to reduce the number of lives lost is effort wasted, because I think it's really important. Had we not been able to mobilize the vaccine response as quickly as we were, that millions would be much more than what it is.
It's become common sport among many to criticize COVID and the shutdowns and how we responded. Do you feel like some of those, although some are fair, are a bit of a cheap shot given that we know so much more now than we did 5 years ago?
Sure. Hindsight's always 20/20, I think, as people say, right? You think about the intentions at the beginning of the pandemic were to contain the virus. That's always the plan whenever you have an infectious disease threat that's new or novel, with impacts with every infectious disease. As it's discovered, you want to contain spread. COVID transmits so easily, though, by the time we were able to start working to contain it, it had already spread much further than we even knew it had spread. And so at that point, containment became very challenging.
In fact, roughly 2,000 of our neighbors have died from COVID here in Mecklenburg County over the last 5 years, 30,000 in North Carolina, and 1.2 million across the country. Tune in today at 12:30 right here on WCNC Plus as we take a look back at what it was like here in the Carolinas leading up to that global pandemic. We dig through the WCNC Charlotte archives. It's all right here on WCNC Plus.